Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to download Quest for Booty for free. This is the NTSC version. So first you need to go to PlayStation Store. So you go to PlayStation Store. Here it is. Wait a few seconds. Alright. And then you go to a code. You push it. And then you just put your key code right here, and there you go. Now we're gonna do the PAL version. It's a little bit easier. You put the Nexus game into your PlayStation 3. Here is Nexus. And here is disk benefits. You push that like this. And there it is, Quest for Booty. You click on Next. Yes. Go to PlayStation Store. Now it needs to load. It's a little bit slow, but alright. And here you have it. Then you click download and everything is okay. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.